Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Learn to Earn by AKR. So friends, today we will be discussing here about the global sentiment like Dow Jones support and resistance, NASDAQ support and resistance, gold, crude oil, then after that Nifty Bank, Nifty 50, Infosys, Wipro and all areas we will be checking here. So first of all, I would be requesting to all of you that please like the video, subscribe the channel and share as much as possible. It's a request to all of you. Okay, so starting with Dow Jones, the Dow Jones chart is very bullish in the daily chart. It's very bullish in short-term view. It's in short-term view means 15 minutes chart. Okay, so I have used 15 minutes chart just for trading purpose. It's not a long-term view. I'm requesting all of you, it's not a long-term view, it's a short-term view just for traders. Okay, so here we can see the chart is bit bearish with 15 minutes chart crossing over, the moving average there, it's crossing over in the bearish zone, and the current support for Dow Jones would be 35,180 would be the support, and resistance would be 35,370. Okay, 370, 380 would be the resistance, and support would be 35,180. If we take supports here and move on, then it would be again very bullish. Okay, so I have to update you about the support and resistance. Moving towards NASDAQ part. Okay, so NASDAQ chart we would be looking after. So NASDAQ is here. So NASDAQ chart, you can see, so this is again a short-term view, 15 minutes chart. Again here the moving average, it's in a bearish zone. I'm just zooming the chart once again. So this is the chart and bearish zone, and so if it takes a support here, like I would be just, give me a second. So that's fine. So this is the support, 15,390 would be the support for Dow Jones and NASDAQ. This 15 minutes charts, I'm updating 15 minutes chart. Okay, so and resistance would be close to around 15,550. 15,550 would be the resistance. Okay, so long-term view, view is bullish. Okay, long-term view bullish, and short-term view for traders perspective, I have updated the support and resistance both the part. Okay, so moving towards the gold chart. Okay, gold. So US gold, I'm just updating here. So this is gold chart, and gold also you can see it's in a bearish zone. I have scribbled here. Yes, you can see, and the current resistance would be 1965. 1965 would be the resistance, and support here would be 1956. 1956. If it breaks 1956, it would be moving. It would be taking a sharp correction, and it would be moving towards 1945. So 1956 is a big support for gold. Resistance already have updated. So moving towards US oil. Okay, US oil, crude oil. Okay, crude oil. So WTI crude oil I'm using. So this is the part, and again you can see this is 15 minutes chart, short-term view. You can see I have just circled here. It's still not bearish. If it takes support here, then it would be moving upward like this. Okay, but the current support would be, if it actually falls, then it would be taking support near 75.65, and the resistance would be 77.27. Crude oil chart is bullish. Okay, it's bullish, still not in a bearish zone. So I'm repeating, support would be 75.65. Okay, so now moving towards Infi, Wipro and others ADR chart, ADR, not chart, ADR. This is the ADR part. Okay, so it's updating. Give me a second. Okay, so you can see Infi ADR was positive. It was trading positively with 0.49. Okay, and Wipro was 0.81. You can I'm moving the cursor here. You can have a look. So 0.81. Wipro is positively, ADR is was trading positively. ICICI Bank 0.21, ADR it was trading positively, and HDFC Bank 0.75, it was negative. Okay, so ADR for HDFC Bank was negative, and others it were positive. Okay, so moving towards Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank chart, I'm just opening. So this is Nifty Bank, and if Nifty Bank chart is very, very bullish, and if it falls, just because of global sentiment, it would be taking support near about 45,900 and resistance would be close to around 46,240. Okay, so this is the resistance, and again if it moves, if it breaks the resistance, because it's very bullish, it can move towards 46,371, and again it's in a blue sky zone. So again I have updated the support and resistance. Support is 45,900. It's a strict support. Okay, so now moving towards Nifty 50 chart. So this is Nifty 50 Nifty 50 chart. So this is Nifty 50. Okay, so Nifty 50. Okay, so Nifty 50 chart, you can see that the support here is close to around 19690. 19690 is the support, and resistance would be close to around 19818. So 19,800 would be the resistance, and next resistance would be 19,890. Okay, so these are the two resistance. Support already I have told, so support would be 19750. 19,750 would be the first support. Second support would be 19690 is the second support. So moving towards Infi chart, Infosys, it was having a bad day. It really crashed 7 to 8%, and so for Infosys, the next support would be 12,060. 12,000, not 1,260. 1,260 would be the support, and currently the resistance would be close to around 1467. 1467 would be the resistance for Infosys. Okay, I'm repeating, Infosys. And the second resistance would be close to around 1360. 1360 is also a resistance. So two resistance I have updated. 1360 is the first resistance, and second resistance is 1470 is the second resistance. Support is 1260. If it touches here, buying should be proceeded from here itself. 1260, we need to proceed the buying part. So moving towards the Reliance chart. So Reliance, so this is Reliance, and Reliance was also having a very bad day, and you can see the chart, the closing was very bad. It's bearish engulfing chart, double candlestick pattern. So if it can take support near 2490. 2490 would be the support. Resistance already it's written, 2800 is the resistance, 2490 is the support, and second support, if it breaks down, then it would be 2190. So the second support is very low, so we need to strictly use this stop loss if it breaks here. Okay, so I hope, friends, I hope you have taken a note of all the support and resistance, and these are just my view. This data should not be used for trading purpose. Okay, these are just my view. Okay, so I would just request all of you once again to hit the like button, share it as much as possible, and subscribe the channel if you have not. Okay, so it's a request. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you and have a great day.